Hello friends, this is PRK Dora, your science teacher, and today here we are going to demonstrate an activity, and in this activity you will find out how the density of the liquid can help an object to change its buoyancy. So, here we collected, at first there is a bowl full of salt, you can see, and a spoon to use the salt, and there are 2 glasses of water, and the water is of same level in both the glasses, you can see, and here we collected 2 eggs. So, at first we will check the buoyancy of these eggs by putting them in these glasses of water. As you can see, when I am putting this egg inside this glass, you can see it is sinking and it reaches to the bottom, and the same thing will happen with this glass also, as the both glass are with the same liquid and they are of same water level. As you can see here, we have 2 glasses and the buoyancy of the egg, you can see they are non-buoyant, they can't be floated above the water. So, here now what we will do, we will just change their buoyancy. Now, what we will do to change the buoyancy of this egg? Now, we will change the liquid of this glass, or we will change the property of the liquid of this glass by adding salt in it. So, now as you can see, now we poured some salt in it. Now, let us stir it so that the salt gets dissolved inside the water thoroughly, and take another spoon of salt. Here you can see. Now, let us go once again, start stirring. Okay. So, here we will stir it smoothly so that it can get completely dissolved, the salt gets completely dissolved. Okay. Now, keep on this for some time, for some minutes. Do you think after adding this salt, both the liquids will be of same quality or same property? Okay. There may be questions arising in you about will this egg float or sink? Okay. So, we will find it out just by doing. Okay. So, here after stirring them well, now we are going to put this egg once again in this bowl. So, here you can see this egg, though it is not touching to the bottom, but it is sinking. So, once again we will collect this egg and we will try to change the buoyancy of this egg. We will make it buoyant by adding some more salt in it. Okay. Now, once again let us stir the water. Okay. We will keep on stirring this water, as we are going to change the property of this liquid of this second glass, so that it will behave completely in a different way than this one of the liquid of the first one. So, here you can see in the first glass there is only water, though in the second one, in the beginning of this experiment there was only pure water, but now it got mixed with salt, and after mixing it with salt you can see the buoyancy of this egg changed as the density of the water got increased. So, the egg, for the second time when we tried, it did not reach to the bottom, and now for the third time we once again trying to put this egg inside this second glass. So, now you can see here it is clearly visible that the egg in this second glass is floating, while the egg in the first glass is sinking. From this experiment we can say that from the by comparing these two glasses and the context here, what's happened to this egg and this one, while one got sank while one is floating. So, from this experiment we can say that as we added some salt in it, it got some mass. So, obviously this liquid got dense or its density increased, and this one with lesser density you can see, which couldn't help the egg float, while in this one you can see the egg is floating as it is clearly visible. Okay, and this is all of this activity. Thank you.